Hey everyone, I'm ExitSign250 and welcome to Exit and Emergency Episode 6. So, jumping right into it, above my door we have my Lithonia lighting, QM exit sign. This is an AC only exit sign and it is incandescent. This came before the Lithonia LQMs. So I don't have real physical incandescent bulbs, I actually have some LED bulbs inside of it that make the sign look incandescent. Those bulbs technically aren't UL listed for this purpose, but I'm using it anyway because I'm not really in the building, and they do the job quite nicely without kind of tearing up the sign with heat and making it fade and so on and so forth. And they're a big energy saver compared to incandescents. Moving right along, we have an E-top lighting exit sign combo, and it points to that door. I'm not really the biggest fan of it. I mean, sure, it looks slick. It's all LED. It's not really the brightest thing. And I've actually had this particular combo in multiple power outages, and it usually lasts around the 45 to 50 minute range, which isn't up to code. These have to last 90 minutes at minimum. Maybe this is just a defective unit or battery, but you know. So there it is. It's pretty dim in real life. That arrow is barely illuminated as well. So it's just, it's not the best thing. There's like 12 LEDs inside of it too, which is kind of a letdown. There's the LED heads. Those are okay bright. Give it a test. It's okay. But like I said, even with my film lighting on in real life, it gets dim closer to the top of the sign. So, But yeah, there you go. So that's what I got up on this side of the room. Let's check out at my other side. Over here we have this little emergency light. The brand is Lightolier or Lightolier. I'm not really sure how you pronounce it. A lot of companies rebrand this emergency light. I think it's mainly the Philips groups. That would be Lightolier, Daybright, Chloride. Those are the ones I know on top of my head. But it is, still a unique little emergency light. So here is the test button and AC light down here. Give it a test. And there you go. And this is a fully incandescent emergency light. And it has reflectors, which is a really nice touch. Now, let's go ahead and shut off the power. Now the power is off. Of course, the Lithonia QM is also off because it's AC only. But over here, the E-type lighting combo is working, I guess. Kind of dim. In real life, this arrow is barely illuminated, so a little disappointing. There you go. There's the emergency light heads, which are okay. They're alright, I guess. Not terrible, but not the best. And lighting up over here. And then the Lightolier takes it over. And this is a cool little emergency light, I think. I don't know. I always thought ones like this are kind of cool. So there it is. And it's pretty good for being incandescent. It's not terrible. But yeah, there you go. Moving on, we have my Dual-Lite Exquisite RG exit sign combo. I've always wanted one of these. I feel like it was one of Dual-Lite's classic combos, and I actually received this one brand new in the box, as well as I did receive it a few months ago. It just took it a while for it to kind of get into the exit emergency episodes. So here it is. This one actually had a universal face option, meaning it was double face but could be changed to single, and that's what I had done. There is the test button and AC light right here. I actually had to repair that test button when I originally got it because anytime any movement of the sign would trigger it for some reason. But I was able to actually repair that switch and not spend the whopping $12.99 for a new one. So I guess it's really a button. There's the incandescent heads, and I also have my LED retrofits in there. Not your typical retrofit, just the retrofits I use that look incandescent. And I also realized the camera from a little back perceives this as white, but it's actually, when I get closer up, this is what I'm seeing in real life. And I do realize I don't have an arrow knocked out for the exit because with these old metallic signs, it's a one-time knockout, so if I knock that out, it's permanent, and don't really want to do that. So there you go. Let's see what it looks like in emergency mode. There it is, and you can see the incandescent bulbs. There's also the emergency bulbs in there. So yeah, there you go. It's lighting up really quite nicely. And I forgot to do this, but let me take off the faceplate, kind of. And you can see on the inside, there is the DC bulbs, which aren't original. Don't even think they're really the correct type, but it works for me. There's the two AC bulbs, and the other one. So yeah, hopefully I can snap that on. There we go. And yeah, there's the Dual-Lite Exquisite RG. Remote grade, as it stands for. So there you go. I believe that's going to do it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I guess I will see you guys in another one.